Welcome to the Ultimate Word Builder Showdown. Today we have two language enthusiasts, Alex and Jamie, ready to battle it out. Let's see who can come up with the most creative and widely used phrases.
Alright, Jamie, let's kick things off. I'll start with crying over spilled milk.
Good one, Alex. I'll counter with kill two birds with one stone.
Nice. How about the ball is in your court?
I see your play and raise you a piece of cake.
Break the ice is my next move.
I won't beat around the bush. I'll go with hit the nail on the head.
Let's bite the bullet and keep going. Let the cat out of the bag.
Spill the beans? I see what you did there. I'll say burn the midnight oil.
Every cloud has a silver lining, and I'm feeling lucky with this one. The early bird catches the worm.
Good choice. I'll jump on the bandwagon and say a blessing in disguise.
Cost an arm and a leg.
Cut to the chase.
Hit the sack.
On the ball.
Under the weather.
Once in a blue moon.
Add fuel to the fire.
Back to the drawing board.
A penny for your thoughts.
Bite off more than you can chew.
Burn bridges.
Catch someone off guard.
Cross that bridge when you come to it.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Every dog has its day.
Get a taste of your own medicine.
Go the extra mile.
Hit the ground running.
In the heat of the moment.
It takes two to tango.
Jump the gun.
Keep your chin up.
Let sleeping dogs lie.
Make a long story short.
Miss the boat.
No pain, no gain.
Off the top of your head.
On thin ice.
Pull someone's leg.
Put all your eggs in one basket.
Read between the lines.
See eye to eye.
Shoot for the stars.
Sit on the fence.
Speak of the devil.
Steal someone's thunder.
Take it with a grain of salt.
The best of both worlds.
The devil is in the details.
The elephant in the room.
The last straw.
The whole 9 yards.
Throw in the towel.
Time flies when you're having fun.
To add insult to injury.
Under the weather.
Up in the air.
Walk in the park.
When pigs fly.
You can't judge a book by its cover.
Your guess is as good as mine.
What an impressive display of idiomatic prowess. Alex and Jamie have covered a wide range of expressions, showcasing the beauty and versatility of language.
That was a blast, Jamie. We really hit it out of the park.
Absolutely, Alex. It's always fun to think outside the box with you.
Thanks for joining us in this idiomatic adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun language challenges. Until next time, keep those idioms flowing.